Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn the ninth lesson, credit in financial system, part 1. This lesson I divided into some parts. Today we are going to learn the first part. Here, uses of money. What are the uses of money in our daily days? Nowadays, money is used for buying many things and for personal needs and for financial purposes. How many languages are printed on money? Means here how many languages are printed on the money backside note. There are totally 17 languages printed on money. Uses of money. 1 minute. In olden days, when there is no money, how do people buy or sell products? Yes, you can see there the answer is barter system. By using the barter system, in olden days, when there is no money, people are buying and selling the products. What is barter system? Barter system is exchanges of services and goods for other services and goods in return is called as barter system. Difficulties in barter system. What are the difficulties in barter system? Lack of coincidence of wants, lack of common unit of value, difficulty of future payments. Why money is used for transactions? It is the medium of exchange between buyer and seller. The main reason is issued by RBI. RBI means Reserve Bank of India, which is also called as Apex Bank. Easily changed for any commodity, prefers to receive payments in money. Here, who is the present RBI governor? This is in this picture, he is the present RBI governor. His name is Shaktikanta Das, who is the present RBI governor. Money. Money are two types. Modern forms of money are deposit and loan. In this video, we are completely learning about the deposits and we are learning some part about the loan. In next video, we are going to learn about the loan. What is deposit? A sum of amount paid to the bank is called deposit. When we had excess money, we are putting the money in bank is called as deposit. Various types of bank deposits. In bank deposits also there are many types. We are going to learn the types of deposits. Demand types, term deposits. Here, demand deposits are divided into two: savings account and current account. Demand deposits means when we want, we can withdraw the money. Term deposit means for a fixed period of time, we cannot withdraw the money, or if we withdraw, penalty will be charges. Now we are going to learn about the savings account. Saving account is meant for saving purpose. Bank pay interest for the savings. Banks will pay the interest when we save the money in the bank. Used for salaried persons, pensioners, and students use this account. Means these accounts are mainly used by salaried persons, pensioners, and the students. And next, we are going to discuss about the current account. Current account are used by businessmen. These deposits are no limit of number of transactions in a day. No interest is paid by banks, but the interest is not paid by the banks for the current account. And now recurring deposit. This first point, the deposit is a special kind of term deposit offered by banks in India. The customer deposits fixed amount in a small intervals of a long period. Means in this slide, I have forgotten to add a point. It is bank in recurring deposit also the banks will pay the interest for us. In fixed deposit, money is deposited for a fixed period of time. Until the fixed period of time, we cannot take our money back. If we take the money back, the penalty will be charged and the interest also will be reduced. In this type of bank deposits, money is interest rate will be more. What is check? Check is a written instruction to a bank by an account holder to a specific sum to a specific person from his deposit. Means I want to give my money to you. I should write the name of you, and I should keep the sign, and I will write the money. If you goes to bank, they will give the money. Loans, lending money from a friend, a relative, a bank, financial institution, etc. Loans are given from the deposits. Means loans will be given from our deposits only. When we deposit the money in the bank, 85% will be declared as the loan and 15% will be declared as the cash, because when the bank customers wants to withdraw the money, they should be able to pay the money for us. Test your mind. Now what you have learned, test your mind. What is barter system? Exchanging goods. Which bank is called as Apex Bank of India, RBI? Modern form of money includes bank deposits, coins, currency notes. Percentage of the deposits held by banks in India as cash is 15%. Bank deposits are called as demand deposits, which acts as medium of exchange. The money acts as medium of exchange. What is the loan? Lending money from a bank is a loan. For the next parts of this lesson, financial system, credit in financial system. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon